This is how you install a Ravage Nock. First, you take the nock from the back of your arrow out, you take the vanes off your arrow, and you glue an insert the same as you put in the front of your arrow into the back of the arrow. When you're all said and done, your back of your arrow will look like this with an insert, same as the front. It's the only thing you have to do to your arrow. You don't have to cut it or do any other modification. Then, take the nock blade assembly, screw it into the back of your arrow, snug. Take the bleeder tube, cock vane up, slide it over the back till you hear a snap. You will see silver. That means it's fully engaged. Next, we take the coupler assembly. I'm holding it by the shrink. Slide it from the front of the arrow. Engage the tabs of the coupler with the notches of the bleeder tube. Slide it in tight. Then, we take a common grill lighter or cigarette lighter, and we shrink the shrink tubing. Shrink it till shrink it down till it's nice and snug, and you have a little glue coming out. Little glue coming out the front of it. And that portion now, in the final step is to put the counterweight on the front of the arrow. This maintains your front of center. We screw the counterweight to the front of your arrow, snug. We take your broadhead, whichever you use, screw it snug. Now the Ravage Nock is complete. This is how you install a Ravage practice nock. You prep your arrow as previously before. You take the vanes off, glue an insert in the back of the arrow, same as you do have in the front. Take your Ravage practice nock. It comes pre-assembled. The only thing you need to do is slide it on the arrow. This does not have any blades that will deploy. Screw it on the back of the arrow. Tighten it up snug. Take your common Bic lighter. Shrink it down till it's snug. A little glue comes out the front. And you can shoot this over and over. Again, there's no blades to deploy. That's about it.